Hey there, we're on the last lesson for about Python programming, just our first little introduction to Python. And this lesson introduces some of the official documentation, PEP, which is the Python Enhancement Proposals. This is actually a style guide or all of the conventions. This is really how you should write your Python code, right? Not only so it executes appropriately, but so other people can work with your code and understand it, and we're all sort of coding to the same standards. And that is PEP Index and the PEP 8 Python Style Guide. The challenge asks, what resources for learning Python have you found useful so far? And I would hope that first and foremost, your answer is Google. Right? When you're in this program, both the prep program, the pre-course program, and the DSI, it's really imperative that you be able to leverage Google to learn things on your own. We're not going to be able to teach you every individual thing, and a big part of being a successful computer programmer is the ability to go out and find answers when they're not right in front of you, right? So Google is usually your first stop. Usually Google will lead you to a site called Stack Overflow. If we go ahead and look at Stack Overflow, we can see here that this is just a place where you can get questions and answers. And let's see, I probably have one in my memory. Right? How to add a column to a Numpy array, right? So if this is something that I needed or wanted to do in a lesson, right, I just Googled how to add a column to my Numpy array, and I was brought to, the first or second search result was in Stack Overflow. Someone asked this question, hey, I don't know how to do this. And then someone came and answered, hey, this is how you can actually get this done. So it's really important that you start to build a collection of tools and resources for yourself to use, right? It's really important that you be able to go out and find information on your own and to teach yourself to be successful as a computer programmer. So I'm not going to type anything out here, but hopefully that all makes sense and you're able to go out and start to build a set of resources that works really well for you. We will go ahead and see you in the next unit. Congratulations on finishing off this first one.